Hello friends, this is Ashish. In this video we are going to talk about SQL Server Management Studio. SQL Server Management Studio is basically a client tool which developers generally use to connect to SQL database server. It is a misconception among some people that it is actually a SQL server while it is not. It is a client tool only which we use to connect to SQL Server. So to connect to SQL Server using SQL Server Management Studio, we need to give server type uh, as database engine, server name as the name of the server instance, and authentication methods. So authentication method can be either SQL Server authentication or Windows authentication. So in case if we choose SQL Server authentication, we need to give the login and password created by the DBA for that particular user. Or if we choose Windows authentication, then it will automatically take user credential from its Windows account. So we do not need to give any login password because we have already given it at the time of Windows login. So just to give a demo, I will show you how to connect to SQL Server using SQL Server Management Studio. So on my system, I have SQL Server 2008 store. So when I go to start and search in my programs, I can see that based on my version, I have Microsoft SQL Server 2008 folder, and inside it I have SQL Server Management Studio icon. When I click on it, this window will open, which is SQL Server Management Studio window, and it automatically asks for the connect to server. So here, as you can see, I have server type option, so I can choose database engine, analysis services, reporting services, integration services, and SQL Server Compact Edition. So we will choose database engine for now because we want to connect to SQL Server. Other server type we choose when we use like analysis services, we choose when we want to use SQL Server analysis services, reporting services when we want to use or connect to SQL Server reporting service engine. So be- because we want to connect to SQL Server now, so we will choose database engine. Server name, so right now I'm on my PC. So if we have a network PC, then and we want to connect to a database server which is on the network, we will give server name which we want to connect to, or we will give the network IP address. So because it is my local system, I can either give the computer name, or can give the dot, or can give the local, or I can also give the loopback IP address, which is 127.0.0.1. Because I have chosen mixed mode authentication at the time of SQL Server installation, so I have both the option Windows and authentication, SQL Server authentication. I can connect to any of these, so I choose SQL Server, give login name and password. So as you can see, now I am connected to the SQL Server. On my left window, which is actually Object Explorer window, I can see server is now connected. I have some folders like database, security, server objects, replication management, SQL Server agent. Here I can explore to databases, security configurations. uh, uh, if I want to run query on any database, I will choose the database, click on new query, link. It will open a query editor window on the right space. So I can write any query there and can execute it using this execute link. So This is how we connect to SQL Server using SQL Server Management Studio, and how we run queries also. So that's all about SQL Server Management Studio. I hope you like this video. Please share it if you like it, and also like it on YouTube. Thanks very much.